Hey everyone, surprise! I'm going to show myself on camera today. I have a Darn Good Yarns box opening. I had opened it got it like maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. And I opened it, I did a video on it. And when I tried to upload it today, I noticed it was gone. So I'm going to upload it. I'm going to show you guys again what I got. And I got a pretty good deal on it. It has the bag and it has some stuff in the bag that I got. It was all one special deal. So let's get started. It came in this bag right here. Darn Good Yarns. In the back, it has the pockets, the crochet hook, pocket, the side pocket here. And you open it up right here. And there it pops open. Little rubber band. Right there. Nice, durable bag. And then it has the pocket here. You guys can see. Okay. Let me zip this up, or try to. On the top, it has the holes you can put your yarn through. It has this latch on here, and you could take it off and hook it back on. Very durable latch. Get it on there. It has this another storage container right here, pocket right here. Okay. And let's check out what I have inside the bag that I got. So, first thing I got was this bowl. This is my first yarn bowl that I've gotten. It is very durable, good wood, very soft, and this is very smooth right here. You can put your yarn through. My first yarn bowl, isn't that pretty? I love the color of it. Very soft, and it has their Darn Good Yarns on the bottom. Okay. Next thing I got was knit and crochet car decals for your car, boat, or truck, or little laptop. I don't think my husband wants me to put these on the car, but I don't have a laptop yet. So there's that. I'm not sure. It's like, I don't know, swans and stuff. Little cute things. Pack of decals. Then I got 2 little balls of this Catskill Fireworks, it's called. Recycled silk super bulky yarn. It's you can use a Q hook on it. Wow. Super bulky 6. Okay. There's that. That is pretty. And it's soft. Okay. I got 2 balls of those. And then I got some of this here. I got 2 hanks of this color. And these are it's a lace yarn, and it's just called green. It's ombre recycled silk yarn, and they recommend a 1 or 1.4 millimeter hook. It's a B hook. I love this color. Isn't it pretty? It is pretty. How the greens, there's different greens in there. And then I got this one here. And I think it's just called purple. Yeah, purple. Recycled yarn, 200, it's 50 grams, 230 yards. And it requires a recommended hook of a B 1.4 millimeter hook. Look at the colors on that. Isn't that pretty? The purple here, I don't know if you guys can see it. And then this is coming undone, it looks like. I'll have to fix that. And I was thinking about putting them both together and making something out of it. Probably like a cowl or something. Yeah. So that's that. And then I wanted to show you the inside of the bag. Oops. Something fell, sorry. Inside of the bag. I don't know if you see that. And then there's a zipper here. And you can zip up. I have never owned a yarn bag like this before. It is super nice. The quality and material is really, really nice. And then I just put my scissors I got right here. I just stuck them right there inside. Right here in the back pocket. And you actually can fit quite a bit of stuff in this bag. I am really impressed with this bag. It's just very nice. And the yarn bowl is absolutely gorgeous. It is very, very nice. And I think with this lace yarn, I'm going to put them both together and just make something out of them. And these are really cute. I love the colors on these. So, I'll get my yarn bowl again. Show you. Thank you, Darn Good Yarns. This is a very nice bowl. Good quality bowl. Like to collect more, you know. I'm able to. You just stick your yarn in there and put it through the loops, and then you could crochet through it. Super, super nice. Yeah, super nice. Okay, this is it for my Darn Good Yarns that I wanted to show you guys that I had already done once, but the video got deleted somehow. And I'm going to post that. I'm going to post their link down below if you want to go check them out. I am affiliated influencer or whatever through them. But if you just want to go check them out, you can do that too. I like the company. Every time I send them an email, I get an email right back. No questions asked. I have never had my problems. If I had a question or a problem with Darn Good Yarns or something came up, it was automatic. They got back to me, and they fixed the problem, or they helped me with a question. And it's mostly questions instead of problems. It's usually just some questions about something or some yarn or how this works, or, you know, so on and so on. But I digress. I'm just mumbling now. Also, I come on here to introduce myself to my new subscribers that I have. My name is Pam at Pamela's Creations, and I want to welcome all of you to my channel. I do crafts showing crafts, showing diamond painting openings, yarn, finished objects with yarn, finished objects with diamond paintings, which I'm almost done with one. And I'm working on my daughter's Japanese garden one called the Hidden Sanctuary for her birthday. So I'll be having that done. I also make jewelry. If you want to contact me through Instagram, I'm on Instagram, about a piece of jewelry you would like to see or a bracelet. I make bracelets with memory wire, and I also do it with Fireline, except I am currently out of Fireline and can't get any until the next payday. So necklaces, other crafts, beads, you name it. I'm new to the diamond painting community, so, and I want to also learn cross stitch, and I want to learn about putting like journals together and stuff. I want to learn all that. I think that's it. Thank you to all my returning subscribers too, you guys. Thank you for sticking with me. I greatly appreciate that. Okay, I think that's it. I just kind of wanted to come on here and introduce myself a little bit. My diamond paintings, I'm just going to put on my table and show what I get. It's just easier for me that way. I'm hoping to do another yarn haul at the end of the month, I'm hoping. So I'll be having that as well. So I wanted to say thank you again. And when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. If you could also watch my videos from beginning to end, that helps my watch hours. I greatly appreciate that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to all, and hit the like button if you'd like to see more. I greatly appreciate that too. All right, I'm going to get off here. You guys have a great day. Bye.